Yes, sir. We are live right now. You can start. And at the end of the session, I'll be putting up all the questions that has been asked by people in your chat box, so you can answer them.
For sure. So first of all, hello everyone. Um, Now is the time of good evening. Okay. So our topic is about Revit architecture. So we will know what the purpose of Revit architecture. As we all know, Revit architecture is a powerful software tool that is widely used in the field of architecture and construction. But as now I am working, it is used in the architecture, construction, engineering, and operations and facility management also. It is an innovative 3D modeling software that helps architects, designers, and engineers to design, create, and manage building projects more efficiently. Yes, uh, as we can first before Revit, we used to uh, make draft the drawings on AutoCAD. We make sections on AutoCAD. We make elevations on AutoCAD. Um, and now in Revit, we have to just link the AutoCAD plan, and we can start the 3D modeling. And by with just one tick, we can get elevations. We can get sections, and in whichever view we want, we can get. As we all know, Revit architecture was developed by Autodesk. AutoCAD is also developed by Autodesk. Revit BIM 360, Naviswork. These all softwares are developed by the Autodesk. Okay. Now it is a BIM information building information modeling software that allows architects and designers to create a virtual representation of a building, complete with detailed information about the structures, materials, and properties. Now, in India, BIM is also booming up. BIM, as some say, BIM is technology, some say BIM is a software, but the correct one is BIM is a technology. BIM is a collaboration, means we work in a collaborative platform. So BIM is not a software. BIM is a technology, and Revit is the most important software in BIM. Okay. Benefits of architects and designers. Streamlined design process. Revit architects allow designer to create and modify design in a collaborative and efficient manner, reducing errors and saving time. Of course, we can architects can design, create, and modify designs. Or whichever we design, we can make with an extrusion command. Yes, sir. You want to ask something?
Sir, you may continue.
Yes, sir. I can't hear you.
Sir, you can continue the question.
Okay. Then accurate documentation. This software generates accurate and detailed documentation, including construction drawing schedules and materials and quantities. So after the modeling, 3D modeling, we can uh, uh, remove schedule and quantities by adding the parameters. By we want column quantities, wall quantities, foundation quantities, or windows quantities, door quantities. We can add the parameters, what parameters we want: length, width, level, size. And we can if we want a quantity of foundation, we can get by we will add parameters like area, volume, and by just one click we will get the volume, visualization, and simulations. Revit architectures enable realistic visualization and simulation of the building design, helping architects and designers communicate their ideas effectively. As some architects or designers use rendering software like Lumion, Photoshop, uh, and landscape like this rendering software they use. But Revit also has the rendering command in their software, and it's we can do a great rendering up to 100 dpi in Revit. Creating and editing building elements. Revit architecture software provides a range of tools features for creating and editing various building elements. This allows architects and designers to efficiently model and modify the different components of buildings such as walls, doors, windows, floors, roofs, stairs, beam, column, structural slab, structural foundation, whichever whichever tool we want, we can modify and put in our Revit architecture software automatically creates accurate floor plans, ceiling plans, elevations, sections, reviews, area calculations, section box, schedules, and quantity takeoffs. As I told you, within a one click, we can get elevations, we can get sections, rendering and visualization. Realistic rendering Revit architecture allows powerful rendering capability that allows us to create realistic renderings with advanced lighting and material options. Architects can accurately depict how their designs will look in real world conditions. Because when we are working on a project, we can't share a Revit file to a client. We just have to put some images, rendering images to the client as how their project is going to look, how their bedroom is going to look, how their living room is going to look. Visualizations. In addition to renderings, Revit Architect software enables allow architects to create visualization of their designs. This visualization can help clients and stakeholders better understand the proposed design and make informed decisions throughout the design process, as I mentioned before. These are the three concepts architects uh, must know. First one is the dream, second one is the design, and third one is the build. These are the topics we will cover in our classes like introduction, graphical user interface, units, wall tool, modify tool, flow tool, door, window, component, column, lighting fixtures, rendering, contour wall, decal, input CAD, modeling place, human area, this etc. These are the and many more softwares as we start working on a Revit, we will get to know. These are the graphical user interface of a Revit as file tab, quick access toolbar, application title bar, info center, navigation bar, context menu, project browser, view control bar, status bar, like that. This is a unit setup for an project. If you are working on an architectural project, mostly architecture work on feet and fraction inches. So we have to change the sum of the units. If you want to work on a feet and inches, so we will change the length in feet and fraction inches. We will change square feet, volume to feet. If you want to work on a millimeter, so we will change the length to millimeter, like that. Wall to like other basic elements in a building model, walls are the predefined system family types which represent standard varies of wall function, composition, and thickness. As basic, there are three types of walls in Revit. First one is the basic wall, second one is the curtain wall, third is the stack wall. Now, basic wall is like brick wall, brick means you can say a brick wall. We have to if we have to design a 9-inch wall, so we have to change the assembly as first the main brick will be of our 8-inch, and we will add the inner plaster and the outer plaster. So outer plaster will be of 0.6 inch and the inner plaster will be of 0.4 inch. So when we total these 8 inch, 0.6 inch and zero point 0.4 inch, so it will become at a 9-inch wall. Curtain wall basically is a glass wall. We will add mullions in the a curtain wall, and stack wall is used in a kitchen or we must say in a bathroom. These are the some floor plans of building. These are the some sections, elevations, uh, cutting the staircase. these are the schedules and quantities of these are some elevations, and this rendering is done on Leon. This rendering is done on Escape. These are some elevations. Okay, that's it. Hello. 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 Hello.
Good evening, sir. What happened?
I already completed the session, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, what?
I have completed my presentation.
Okay, you have completed. Okay. Okay, so should I end this session now?
No, just wait for 3 minutes. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing some questions with you in the chat box. Kindly look into it. They are
Okay,
the
sir.
questions shared by the customers.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, uh, the advantages using Revit over traditional CAD software. Uh, the first of all is a time saving. First thing, because in one click we will get elevation. In one click we will get sections, and in whichever hello,
Yes, sir.
now it's okay, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Okay. Sir, first of all, first advantage is it's a time saving, sir, because in one click we will get sections, in one click we will get elevations, and as we link all our import CAD drawing to a Revit, we can start the 3D modeling by walls. Yeah, in AutoCAD, we have to leave the space for the windows, then trim it like that. In AutoCAD, in Revit, we just have to draw the walls and just put the family of window in that wall. It will automatically, and whichever size you want, if you can draw, you can make a parameter family of yours. uh, and the second advantage is in Revit, we can work in a collaboration nature. Means as now I am working uh, as a BIM coordinator, so I am working on now BIM 360 software. So it's an type of Google Cloud. We can say that BIM 360 is a construction cloud. So uh, the uh, the modelers put their files in the cloud, as we have to review as the ID and password the clients also have of in that file. Okay. uh, and the third thing is, as uh, client came to know about the how their project will look, we must say the visualizations, the renderings. We can't share the whole Revit family to a client. We have to just show the rendering images to the client. And as we work on Revit on 3D model, most of the clash we can detect in that only. And uh, the fourth advantage is it is Revit is a more detailed. It's a more detailed and accurate software. And AutoCAD is now BIM is booming, and Revit is a most important software for BIM. While in AutoCAD we have to draw as a general drawing, and in Revit we can design and do documentations in all disciplines we want. And as we one minute, so these are the advantages. What are the difference between a project file and a family file? So see, uh, project file is a file which we are working uh, on a project, and the family file is the parametric family we made, or the family file, we have inbuilt files, means the door family, the window family. So these are the difference between the project file and the family file. How do we import a CAD file into Revit file? So to import a CAD file into Revit file, it's simple. Just we have some steps for to import. First, we have to go to uh, insert command. Then we have to go to link CAD command. Then we have to select the or AutoCAD file we have to import. Then we will see the dial box downside. So we have to change some settings, as we have to uh, first do the settings, click on the current view settings. Then we have to put our plan in central center, and whichever unit of CAD in CAD file we have to put that unit on only. Just means like we have the CAD file, so we have to insert that plan into in Revit in only. And whichever floor level we have to put, just like ground floor or first floor or second floor, or just from these steps we can import a CAD file. How can how you can copy Revit screen? Okay, so how can you copy project settings to as sir, for this we have to copy the Revit project settings to other projects. We have two options, as we can link the file another Revit file, or we can copy the existing project in a different path and rename it as another name, and we have to delete the whole project. So automatically the settings will be in that only, sir. How do I convert Revit file into WG? Sir, if we have to convert a Revit into DWG, just we have to open a Revit model and click on the application menu on the left side, and we have to export a CAD format. And we have to select DWG is for AutoCAD and RVT is for Revit. So we have to export that. So we have to select the DWG format. Hello, sir. Did you get the answers? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Hello.
already on. Yes, sir. I already answered your questions.
Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir, for today's session. Now we would like to conclude the session.
Okay, okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.